Discover Fairmate, a leading Indian multinational corporation that stands at the forefront of the construction chemicals industry. With their focus on affordability and quality, they bring forth solutions and services that cater to customers worldwide. Fairmate introduces Flowgrout 40. It is a single-pack ready-to-use, high-strength, free-flowing, non-shrink grout supplied as ready-to-use material requiring addition of precise quantity of water at site, 4.75 liter for 25 kilograms grout. Flowgrout 40 is suitable for gap widths between 10 mm to 50 mm. Flowgrout 40 is suitable for bolt pockets and base plate grouting of all rotary and static equipments, crane, stanchion bases, and all types of machinery in all types of industrial projects. Advantages of Flowgrout 40. Prepacked, in factory ensures consistency in supply. Self-leveling by nature. Can withstand temperature up to 200 degrees Celsius. Easy placement and filling of under bases of machinery. Non-metallic and chloride-free. For more information about product, please call toll-free 1-8001-234534 or visit us at www.fairmate.com.